We present you SPIDER, Synthia Plus-Tech system for creating cavities in the thoracolumbar tract of the spine, indicated for the treatment of osteoporotic fractures and osteolytic lesions, such as multiple myelomas and vertebral metastases. The SPIDER system is composed of an access kit with an injection kit, a working cannula, 20 mm and 25 mm reamer, guide wires and a trocar, and an expansion kit with 20 mm or 25 mm expander. The expander has a X-shaped design to define and create void, 5-steps mechanism to create the cavity, and a graduated scale that allows control of the expansion. The expander is made of nitinol, a radiopaque and biocompatible shape memory alloy. The system is secure for cement injection and optimal visualization during the expansion, simple, pre-sterilized and single-use, simple 5-steps procedures, adapt the device to the anatomy of the patient, and precise, control of the volume and position of the cavity. Two sizes are available, 20 mm for thoracic vertebrae and 25 mm for the lumbar ones. Depending on the size, it is possible to obtain different diameters, lengths, and volumes of the cavity. Two different surgical approaches can be used, depending on the surgical level, patient condition, and surgeon's preference. The surgical technique consists in identifying the correct vertebral entry point by C-arm views. Drive the trocar forward using a light hammer and then remove the inner needle, leaving the trocar in place. Insert the guide wire through the trocar, check the positioning by using the C-arm, and then remove the trocar while the wire is in correct position. The reamer is inserted into the working cannula and the target positioned. Place the reamer into the guide wire and drill into the bone until the final position is reached. The working cannula should maintain its position. Begin removing the guide wire, then extract the reamer. Insert the expander until the target is introduced in the first notch. At this point, turn the handle clockwise to expand the tip. The volume of the new cavity should be checked through the expansion graduated scale. Rotate the handle counterclockwise until the device is completely closed. Retract the target from the first notch and insert it into the second notch. The expansion process should be repeated through each 5 of the 5 notches, generating a 360 degrees cavity. Retain the position of the working cannula and insert the expander. Prepare the bone cement and insert it into the working cannula. Continue the operation until the cavity is properly filled. It is possible to see here the creation of the cavity and the bone cement injection.